All manufacturing jobs are outsourced to other countries. Well, that's definitely not a true fact, considering we are still in operation.
I think you have to look at the supply chain and everything else that goes along with that. Everything that we are doing here domestically, the made in the USA type things, really pushing that and just seeing a lot of reshoring. I mean, that's all stuff that's just been happening since we've gotten out of COVID.
COVID brought to light a lot of challenges. A lot of different transportation was shut down, was held up. And I think that uncertainty with a lot of, at least domestic companies and manufacturing, really hit on the reshoring for the United States. Coupled with the tariffs and that change daily. With the political or geo landscape that's going on out there. A lot of different things going on that make it uncertain. That really you see benefits of just reshoring, period, and being local.